Hello, I'm in a 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So from the driver's side, we'll go right down here and you should see a release lever. That pop sound, if you could hear it, was the safety releasing. And underneath here you should see like a cable right there attaching that lever. If that cable is really loose or disconnected, you'll need to address that. But now that we pulled that safety, head up to the front. You should see the hood slightly loose now. So that way you can reach your fingers in here. But in here, there's a lever right here, so I'm gonna push and lift. So push and lift. And fortunately there's this nice little hydraulic to hold it up. But this is what the lever looked like I was pushing. So double check there's no debris stuck in here that needs cleaned up, nothing bent out of place or broken. If it's really sticking, you might try some WD-40 to loosen this as well. And then this up top is where it was hooked onto. Again, make sure nothing's bent or broken. And double check that your hood's in proper alignment, because if this is all crooked, that could cause you issues as well. But I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.